Ever pondered the fine line that separates street style from fashion disaster? The answer lies in understanding the do's and don'ts of street style for men. Today, we're diving into the world of men's street style, providing practical tips and advice to make sure your everyday look is always on point. First things first, knowing your body type is paramount. A well-fitted outfit can make a world of difference. Whether you're tall, short, slim, or muscular, there's a style that suits you. Remember, oversized doesn't always mean stylish, and skin tight is not always flattering. Balance is key. Moving on to colors. Experimenting with different shades is great, but don't let your outfit turn into a rainbow. Stick to a palette of 2 to 3 colors. This creates a cohesive look that's pleasing to the eye. Now, let's talk about layering. It's a fantastic way to add depth and interest to your outfit. A shirt over a tee, a sweater over a button-down, or a jacket over a hoodie, the possibilities are endless. Yet, it's crucial not to overdo it. Too many layers can make you look bulky and uncomfortable. Accessories are the cherry on top of your street style look. A cool hat, a stylish watch, or a statement bag can elevate your outfit from ordinary to extraordinary. But remember, less is more. Don't let your accessories outshine the rest of your outfit. Shoes, they say, make the man. And in street style, your footwear can be a game changer. Sneakers, boots, loafers, choose what complements your outfit and is comfortable for you. However, avoid overly bright colors or excessively worn-out shoes. Denim is an indispensable part of street style. But beware of overly distressed jeans. A little ruggedness can add an edge to your look, but too much can make it seem like your clothes are falling apart. Last but not least, confidence is your best accessory. Wear what makes you feel good, because when you feel good, you look good. Street style is not about following trends blindly. It's about expressing your personality and feeling comfortable in your skin. So experiment, mix and match, and find what works best for you. After all, fashion is a form of self-expression. So why not express yourself in the best way possible, right? Remember, the world is your runway. So step out in style, gentlemen.